होता है
outstanding. Well deserved.
ए डिजाइन है
Who's going to
এটা মাত্র দেখো
But either way,
আমরা দেখো আমরা আমাদের না
17. Pippin Sharma, another mention. 4 overs, 3 for 17. 16
केही
years old.
नयाँ केही गरेर नि आउट हुन्छ कि जान्नु यार यहाँबाट
Gotta put him in the conversation about the domestic player of the tournament.
त भइहाल्यो नि बलमा
Well bowled on with the arm, playing a miss.
अनि गाउँछ के
You're highly unlikely in 18 singles are
यो
in the
मुझे
last
चौका
week. You
हान्न
need to find a
सक्छ
boundary
जिन्दगीमा
to-
भाइ
Boundary over. Sorry,
यो म्याच एकदम मुख राम्रो छैन खेल त राम्रो छ
Sounds easy. The moment they're happy with the ones.
You can afford to do this. You can afford to take the ones till you get to the probably last 7 or 8 balls, right? Then whoever's on strike the last 2 balls, the penultimate over,
Yeah,
they're the ones that have to go the last 2 balls. And then you leave yourself the last over.
मलाई बाल छैन मुझे आउँछ
By the way, the last over, you're just winning 4 or 5 off it, then you back yourself.
क्या
to the
ड्रामा
next
गरेर एकदम
one. These days, you back yourself to get 10 or 12 off the last over, don't you? Good beats in hand.
कोही फरक नहीं पड़ता जी
फरक नहीं करेगा मैदाजी बल्ले बल्ले देखो 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 देखो
Right now they look like
एक
they're
रन
just
त
happy
लियो
with the
छोरोले
ones. They'll push for a second here. Nandan Yadav's a good fielder.
रन लिने ज्यान पनि हुनु पर्यो
Part of the
यत्रो
game.
यत्रो ल्याएर हाराका सबै अन्डर 19 भाइ दुईटे
We've already had one.
शेरमललाई कहाँ
हो शेर
If you look at the
मलाई
breakdown, we've had 30 matches so far
हामी
this
नभए
season.
अनि बलरले ब्याट्सम्यान बनाएर हुन्छ भने
Batting first, 14 by the side chasing, 1 super over.
बिचारा 9 नम्बरको ब्याट्सम्यान हो यार
Second.
Well, it's been like
Yeah,
that.
and he had to do bro.
Batting first, but people have talked about it so
Banda
much.
garde
Batting
ni
first and second, it doesn't really matter.
मोटिभेट गराउनु नि पछि
It's been pretty
यसै
easy.
एकचोटि ग्रुपमा हालिदिउँ
Gonna run a quick single. He can pick up cleanly. For me, and I think HT,
यो
the pre-game
कर्णालीको
shot, we
त
were both
बलै
surprised
समात्न
they bowled
सकिरहेको
first.
छैन के हो
We thought
सर
it was get the runs on the
अहिले
board.
2-4 चोटि हुराउनु पर्छ के होला
Attack as the day goes on.
Yeah, the panicked their performance yesterday probably clouded their thoughts.
निसम भाइ
Really
के
did.
गरे
I think both teams have not batted at the best today. I thought
Yeah,
Premier
over-
League
over-
Swords
yeah,
were brilliant
yeah,
yesterday.
reverse-
With about
reverse shot हान्ने बजिरहेको
175,
छ।
their highest score in the tournament today.
Yeah.
They were
अगाडि
shocking.
हान्न सक्दैन
भाइ एक्सपर्ट
But their bowlers and their fielders are keeping them alive. 2 overs remain. It's going to be 14 to win. 1 over.
2 बल माइनस 2 माइनस
कहिले चौका हान्न सक्दैन है चौका
करार जित्यो दुईजना सन्दामा छ यार
Watch NPL on the go on Nsel,
मैले हार मानिस
unlimited YouTube and other NPL
तुम लोगों का जो पैसा होता है ना अगले मैच में
1, 2, 3 as
ये नहीं होगा ये ऐसे ऐसे बात नहीं होगा ये नहीं होगा ये नहीं होगा तो ऐसे मत किया करो ये ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता
मस्त ना धोके
मैं तो नहा धो के आ चुका हूँ हाँ
Sundar Bank India
कहाँबाट ओभरमा 4 रन बल्ल बल्ल हान्दा
We know one finalist, that's for
झ्याप्पै एउटा आउट भयो अब हेर्नु
अन्डर 19 को प्लेयरहरु किन खेल्नु
the Machine Royals
Too many
come to
batsmen.
town. Will they play Janakpur in another El Clasico big rivalry that's
Bowling
already
करिङ
built
दिनु
up?
फालेर
Will it
जान्छ
be the unlikely
अनि चेन्ज
underdog
गर्छ
story
एउटा
for the Karnali Yaks? Nandan Yadav to bowl the penultimate, the 19th.
यसले एउटा विकेट
Slap towards mid-off, who's in the circle. Gulshan Jah hits the stumps. It might
2 रन लियो कि अगाडि 2 रन लियो
2 to the total. Just wait on the umpire here. He's not going upstairs.
11 मा पार
Oh, maybe he's having a rethink. He will.
He's
Outside
thinking
it.
the umpires are nervous now. Such an important part of the game. A big decision. He loves it.
भाइ
But look, it's margins. The nerves are there. Did he slide his bat in?
बडा मुस्कान दिए
Yeah, he's in. Comfortably in. Weird technique getting into the crease, but it doesn't matter how you get there, as long as you're in at this stage of the game. There you go. Not out on the big screen.
आउट नट
The right decision. Relief for the Bolts. The Yaks. Oh, come on. Another 2 runs to the scoreboard for the Bolts.
अझै जित्नु सक्ने सम्भावना धेरै छ
19 ओभर आफूलाई राख्यो सम्पालले
Sense now the Yaks need a wicket.
सम्पालले हो
Get away by one of these to get that match into the crease.
सब विकेट गयो
Put down the ground, right out of the square!
मारा रे मारा
I
इसमें तो
didn't
भाग छक्का
points, but his most
Love you, boys.
decisive contribution in this tournament, maybe that maximum. Wow, what a
अब
shot.
10 बलमा कसो नआउला त छ र
जर्मनलाई छक्का हान्यो।
कहाँ गयो ओभर पिच बल फाले छ
Today, but he got it in the slot, didn't get it right.
Yo, well,
there,
that's what he has.
Yorker, and he got great contact, and he cleared the ropes.
भाइ मेरो
What a
हुन
time to
सक्दैन
deliver.